So, hi everybody and welcome back to C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 48 and in this video we start with our solution for our exercise. So, the exercise I announced in the last video here, and here I started to create a random plan. A random plan. No, I created here a plan which is just a prototype, not much thought about it, I just wrote here some ideas how I can start, and later we have to change this code probably, but for the first time I just wrote here I want print out an info screen. Okay, this is the shop list what I want print out. Then I said I want an array with product names which I can print out. So this is then the first part here, and we will make here, we simulate a table later here, and this array will be done here, the first column with all the product names. Then the second array, I want an array with prices for the products, is then I create here a second array with all the prices. And then I want an array with random numbers. These are the products sold amount in 1 month. Then again, just an array, very simple. And for the fourth path, I make the same. I want an array with the calculated prices. And if I go then to the next point, I want to print all these arrays as a table. Like I said, we simulate here a list as a table, you know. So we see a lot of tables in the web, and later we will learn how to use real database tables, but not like this. This is just a simulation. This is just a training for us. So, and then I want to make an loop. That's not right. I want make a loop for 12 months, because this should be for 12 months, right? So this is my plan, which I just throw in. I thought not too much about it because this is not complete, this plan. Why it's not complete when we think about it? Because I have not described how I want to, for example, create this random numbers here. I just said here I want an array with here I want an array with random numbers here, for example this one. This is not very specified how to create, but that's okay. Later when I come to this point, I think a little bit more about it, and then I will add here more commands to write this code. So the next thing is also not how I earn the money, how I calculate the money and so on, but all fine. It's like I said, we will this is just a plan which will be extended, or it will deleted, or it will change or whatever. But yeah, that's the plan what I have. Of course you should have something like that too, not like mine, I hope, perhaps much better. And of course the most important part is that you can convert your plan to code, and so that you reach the goal. The goal is we want just a list here, like it says, we create a shop list and print this list on the screen for 12 months. So this is the goal. We have to create this one, and how you create this one, how you make your plan, and how you reach this goal, this is all up to you. Nobody cares. You can define it how you like it, right? That's the nice thing. There is no right, there is no wrong. It must just reach this goal with this little bit definitions and so on. So after you have this one, we will start to create now, convert this list to a code. So, but I stop here, and in the next video I will start to convert this list in code, but I will also repeat all things from the start again and what we did so far while I'm creating this list and talking so much, because this one is training, right? A training, repetition, and later in code variations and so on. So you have not to be in your case, just try to solve this how you can do it. And if you found a solution, perfect. If not, doesn't matter, because this one is just training. The important part is that you understand how to solve it. Even if you have not a solution, you have trained, you have tried to use these keywords or the structures and so on. All right, that said, in the next video, I convert this to code. See you there. Bye.